You may now begin your presentation.
Welcome to Wolfville, Nova Scotia. Home to over 4,000 people, the Bay of Fundy, and Acadia University. We recognize that our university is located in Mi'kma'ki, the ancestral territory of the Mi'kmaq people.
According to Stats Canada 2016, the town of Wolfville has a 15.3% unemployment rate. This is almost triple the national average of 5.8%.
The 2015 Nova Scotia Educational Action Plan states that only 12% of Nova Scotia high school students envision themselves as entrepreneurs. We saw this as a target for change and recognized the opportunity to fill that gap.
We are looking to address these issues head on and empower the next generation to do the same.
Good morning, my name is Max Sheehan and this is Jacob Watson. Joining us on tech are Shanicia Porter and Jerry Newcomb.
Regenerate was our solution. In winter of 2017, we began Project Regenerate with the intention of teaching children entrepreneurial soft skills as well as waste reduction. We were directly able to impact 215 kids as well as empower 6 to start their own businesses.
This was a great start, but we wanted to take our project even further. In the fall of 2018, we recruited 10 local youth to join our new cohort.
Receiving the RBC Future Launch Project Accelerator was huge. It allowed us to make the program free for all participants, eliminating any financial barriers.
Overall, they learned skills in prototyping and ideation, marketing, sales, and accounting.
We decided to repurpose crayons when we created them. We decided to do this to teach kids in a relatable way, and the crayons would have otherwise ended up in a landfill, never to decompose.
We continued this mission over the past year, making Christmas ornaments from melted crayons, which the kids went on to promote and sell.
These aspiring entrepreneurs aged from age 6 to 18, and once they were done our program, they were able to begin their own business with tangible business skills.
We partnered with the Regenerate alumnus, Solomon Kaplan, through his Kinderprize program to provide 8 microloans of $60 each to allow these kids to start their own businesses.
We didn't stop there. We also partnered with various groups in our community with similar goals, such as 4-H and the Annapolis Valley Regional Center for Education. Through that, we had a workshop on campus where 100 students were present.
We partnered with Girl Guides Nova Scotia and recently led a 3-hour workshop with 16 Girl Guides. At the end of the workshop, each of the participants were presented with a custom badge to recognize the skills that they learned with us.
Teaching entrepreneurship to youth was rewarding, and it further empowered us to continue our efforts.
Over the past year, we've been working on 2 other social enterprises, Project Less and our newest social enterprise concept, the Canadian Veteran Student Alliance. Let's begin with Project Less, living ethically with sustainable sex.
Plastic pollution is a major environmental challenge that we face. According to the Center for Biological Diversity, fewer than 1 in 7 plastic bags are ever recycled.
We saw this as another opportunity for change. Acadia University is the first and only fair trade campus in the Maritimes. We wanted to align these values with an entrepreneurial spirit.
We partnered with Just Us Coffee, a local fair trade coffee producer, and they provided us with their burlap bean coffee bean bags, which we repurposed into reusable shopping bags.
With an innovation grant that we've received from 3M, we'll be able to expand our production and reach our future goals.
We are looking to empower underrepresented groups in our community and create jobs stimulating the economy. We are also looking to continue relations with Just Us Coffee as well as partner with the Wolfville Farmers Market.
As of this moment, we currently have 2 prototype units with the expectation that we will continue to test and refine our product until a final stage is reached this spring.
Our repurposing efforts didn't stop there, and this year we began a new project.
Our next social enterprise concept is the Canadian Veteran Student Alliance, a project with high growth potential designed to generate awareness to the isolation and mental health issues that Canadian veterans and their families face.
Our idea is simple, but our mission is profound. Through this project, we are looking to create a product line from repurposed materials sourced from local military bases in the surrounding area to Wolfville. Through this initiative, we are looking to spark a movement in the younger demographic that actively supports Canadian veterans.
Our first product idea is a laptop sleeve. From the profits generated, a portion will be donated to pre-existing organizations that support Canadian veterans and their families, with the remaining going to scale their operations and to fund our product.
We are looking to incorporate local legions as well as veterans into the manufacturing process. We believe this will positively influence our local community and potentially nationally.
We saw the issues that were directly affecting our community and created entrepreneurial initiatives to face those issues head on.
Through Project Regenerate, we were able to empower a younger demographic to start their own social enterprises.
With Project Less, we are repurposing waste and reducing the amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans.
And with the Canadian Veteran Student Alliance, we are looking to repurpose materials from military bases that positively impacts veterans and their families.
We are
Enactus Acadia.
Nice.